Alright. Fucking cheater. Holy fuck! Yeah, you cheated. No. You didn't go to jump.
Enemy sector and inbound.
Oh yes. You cheated before. Yeah. Wow, you trying to blow me up, you little shit. Alright, ready? I'll say it. When you get to 1, you just go, alright? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. It worked, it's better. Up, jump, EJ. Oh! He both sucked it up. Oh, EJ gets up. Oh! Oh no. I'm not crashing, nigga. Drift. Oh! Just drove in the ground.
Do you have an RCEJ or what? Oh, good shot, cockhead. Missed your claymore from about a millimetre away. And put it on close. I fucking swear to God.
No, wait, did you guys have your RCXDs out?
No, cunt, you fucking won't stop. You're gonna get kicked, cunt.
Free for all.
Fuck.
Stay focused.
Fucking out of shit, cunt. No one wants you. Kill yourself, cunt.
I fucking hate it when people come in my room and I close the front of the door.
Okay then.
It's not the same. Alright, ready? 1, 2, fucking fade. You cunt. Wait, third bullet's gonna take longer, right? Go!
Hey?
How are you reading this out? It's being serious racing. Alright, ready? 1,
What?
2. Oh my god.
You're getting low on the itch.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, he's having a bit of a flying start here. Taking the corner a bit wide. Oh, I've ramped up the door. Get out of my way. Oh, I've ramped up that way. Oh, get out of my way. You positioned your person in the way. Oh, what is this? Nah, this is... Nah. I'm done. Yes, I did, cockhead. I'm not even right behind you. You're going up. I'm only just coming into the room now. Oh, nah. We're having a rematch.
Nah, EJ won.
We're having a fucking rematch, cunt. Yeah, just fucking. Nah, we're going. We are going.
That's just coming back.
I got off to a bad start.
1.
Wait, I'm
2,
not in position.
3.
Easy.
Fucking cocksucker.
That was the last bullet. That was the last bullet I had too.
Yeah, right, cunt. What the fuck was that? Not out a trick shot. Can't even trick him. Oh yeah. Can't even hit him on the full. Hopeless. The fuck out of here. Take it. Kill yourself, cunt. Oh, now gotta choose my class again. Here we go.
Oh no, you didn't press the button. Oh no.
The big cunt. Oh, you killed yourself. Okay. Oh! Oh, for fucking cunt. We are having a rematch, cunt. Oh, skip the kill cam. Come on, we don't want to see this shit. You get shot in the face on the ground, so you fucking do a 180 backflip. Fucking.
Free for all.
Get here, cunt.
RCXD ready for launch.
You fucking mongo. Yeah.
RCXD ready for launch. Hostile RCXD spotted in your area. Friendly RCXD inbound.
Hurry the fuck up.
fucking noggin, eh, cunt, right now. Oh, you have no
Enemy
Look
sentry
out.
inbound.
When that hits the ground, we gotta go.
Alright, yeah, that's good. It's just less than 41 of these.
Die! Hey, yeah, you boy! You cockhead. Oh, now I'm stuck. Yeah, whatever, go. I don't care.
Oh my god. I can't even breathe properly.
Yeah, da, da, da.
Your scream, oh Chris, your scream was fucking...
Whatever, cunt. Whatever, cunt. Look at me fucking flogging down here. Wap, wap, wap. So this is the decider then, mate. Hey, what are you talking about? I just won that one, cocknits.
Sorry, I can't, I'll be the... Ready?
Get out of me way. Get out of it. L2 drive, bro.
Ready? 1, 2...
Hey, no, that was your third shot. That was your third shot.
Yeah, the third shot's where you're supposed to go.
Yeah, no, that was your third shot.
2.
That's one. That's two.
I haven't even done the third one yet. 3.
Hey?
That's go. Just wait. 1, 2.
So, son, setzen auf der Front, son. Oh, get out of it. Get out of the way. Oh, where's your body? Oh, your body's in the way of the track. That's disqualification there, mate. Oh! Stuck under the fucking stairs, cunt. I can't get out. I can't
EJ, come over here. EJ, he's out. Oh, fuck.
Oh.
Accomplish the mission.
Choose a different course. Wait, choose a different course. We're doing this full on now. I'm gonna start driving.
EJ would have been me. I watched the cunt go under the stairs. I mean, it was just
No mistakes.
Oh, no, wait, you need to move your body, man. That is filthy.
Ready for delivery. Mark the DZ.
Oh my god. Jeff, just so fucking...
Friendly RCXD inbound.
Alright, 1, 2.
Hey, is that Jet or you?
That wasn't me. No, it wasn't.
Go anyway.
Oh my god.
Oh, get your body out of that way. Dude, I dodged your body and it still said I hit it. I've dodged it 3 times, man. It's in the water. How? It's the hole. I can't even get through. Get on my dick. I went around the hole. Go.
You did, I watched you.
Oh! I beat you! What? Did I beat you? What the fuck? No, it was first to that wall. It's not first to here, it's first to that wall. Oh! Lang, did you see me win that, eh? I won that.
Yes. Yes.
Oh. Wait, I got through at the top of the stairs, EJ, and I beat you to that wall, cunt. Oh.
What's the track? Zap, you gotta choose track.
Alrighty. Alrighty.
Yeah, play this. And, yeah. I'm using my treasure trove, so could you.
Alright. Let's, follow me, fellas. I'll make her up on the spot. Coming, son?
Woohoo!
Around the back side of this.
What the fuck? Where'd he go?
Through this little door here, fellas. Oh, come on now.
Oh.
Just cut. Yeah, just come around the side of that.
What?
Nah, just fuck it. Just fuck it. Just come around here.
Alright. I'm upset to blow you up. Have you? I still remember it.
And you got to boost over this fucker.
Alright.
Have to boost over that fucker. And then come around here through this toilet and then fucking back to here.
Alright, and the first hit was back. Yeah.
Hey Baz, don't kill anyone. They're having a race. Alright, hey Baz, don't kill anyone, alright? EJ, your body's still in the way. Actually, just fuck that bit how you have to go around the car, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, on my third shot. The third one will be random. Wait, Baz, don't kill anyone. Wait, my third shot's gonna be random.
Yeah. He dolphin dived over us. Ooh, what? I got two.
Then I do a loop around, Yeah, through that. Oh, someone's missed it, whatever. Alright, gotta boost over that thing. Boost over the thing.
Oh, that was fun. Oh.
Now through the toilet and first one to hit the back of the wall. You didn't even go through the toilet, Lang, and he's still lost.
Oh, that was gangster. Alright, no, rematch. This is bullshit. Hacks then.
I'll start again with my shots.
Alright. One. Oh my god. Two.
That wasn't me.
I heard that. Oh. Alright, he's on your third bullet site.
Oh, it's neck and neck. He's right on your cock.
On my ass, don't you mean? Oh, did that to the noise? No!
And now do a loop around. Now through that thing, I don't want any more cheating this time, mate.
Oh, that was amazing!
Get through there.
That was faking material.
Yeah, boost over that.
Oh, yeah, bruh.
Through the toilet.
I'm going to the toilet, bruh. Yes! Oh, no! I didn't make it, no! I was so close, CJ! Look how close.
Sorry, let Earl make up the course.
Free for all.
Alright.
Stay focused.
Wait,
stay
Bay,
alive.
come to the fucking back of the map here
RCXD
and make up
radio
a
launch.
race course, cunt. Or I'll smash you.
Stop. It'll 360 over this barrel here. Whoa! Oh, through here. Oh, cut it out. Oh.
Stop it, Bailey.
Oh, cut it out. Oh. Right there. Oh. Then up the jump, right? Yeah, make it up that jump. Have to go up that jump. Yeah. Oh, a simple one for the last one, alright. Nice. That's a good one, that's a good.
Getting right into it, there's no fucking around. That's one shot. 2.
2. 3. He kicked your car. Oh fuck, that was good. You just run past him. You just kicked your car.
You've got a huge lead, cunt.
What the fuck? I went the wrong way. No! Hey EJ, where are you?
He's finished.
Oh, I stuck it over and everywhere. I went the wrong way, then I jumped and went sideways and went backwards.
1.
2. 3. 3. God. Fucking hell. Oh wait, is that you? I never saw 2. Fuck off. No! Oh wow. Oh my god, I cut the course and every... No I didn't. I did not. I won. Yeah.
Alright, we're starting.
3.
There's 1.
1.
There's 2.
2.
What's it, mate?
Oh, it's a qualification.
What's it, mate? How's it, mate?
I'm out.
Oh my god. Oh, Andy Honey! Yes! Yes! What? This is going for too long, Dad. This is the last one. No more fuck ups, alright? I got the map down.
I'm gonna shoot with my Python, alright?
Alright. 1. 2. There's people over here, I'm scared. There's C4 there. No! Oh, yeah, I can't say how to. Yes! Yes!
Bit of boost, mate.